Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top headlines. High Court grants relief to eligible professors for dean post despite delay. The Madras High Court recently directed the Tamil Nadu government to appoint eligible professors specializing in obstetrics and gynecology, general surgery and orthopedics to the part of dean in government medical colleges. The court observed that delays in their promotions occurred due to an oral order from the Madurai bench of the High Court and the imposition of the Model Code of Conduct during the 2019 general elections. The petitioners who participated in the promotional counselling were not at fault for the delay. Over 5,000 appointments fraudulently validated by NMC, doctors demand action. Doctors under the United Doctors Front have raised concerns about major violations in medical faculty recruitment norms and urged the National Medical Commission to take action. They highlighted issues like the wrongful consideration of teaching experience during PhD tenure and the illegal appointment of part-time PhD holders as faculty members. The UDF called for an immediate review of faculty appointments, revocation of illegal appointments and strict enforcement of UGC and NMC regulations. Shanti Multi-Speciality Hospital suspended from PMJ faces ₹23 lakh fine for irregularities. The Rajkot Municipal Corporation Health Department has suspended Shanti Multi-Speciality Hospital from the PMJ scheme for 6 months and imposed a ₹23 lakh fine due to multiple irregularities. The suspension follows an audit by the NMC and insurance company which revealed several violations during an inspection on January 6. Meerut doctors lose over ₹3.5 crore in fraudulent investment scheme. Two doctors from Meerut, Suraksha Bansal and Atul Gupta have lost ₹3.5 crore after being lured by a fraudulent investment scheme. The scam involved an English company RPC allegedly engaged a film production and promotion since 1974. Suraksha Bansal lost ₹3.8 crore while Atul Gupta lost ₹49.17 lakh. The doctors filed complaints with the police submitting evidence of the fraudulent transactions. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.